The release date of Salman Khan's this year's Eid offering Tubelight is just around the corner. Following that, the countdown has already begun. But it seems like Salman Khan and his surprises are not yet over. Oh yes, here comes another surprise from the makers of Tubelight. Well, Salman Khan will hold a special screening of Tubelight for his fans. Yes, you heard it right. If you win the Tubelight contest, you never know, you might be the lucky one to attend the Tubelight screening with none other than Salman Khan. Well, watching this actor-director duo of Salman and Kabir on the silver screen is itself a treat, and when you get lucky enough to attend the special screening, it becomes a lifetime memory to relish. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. Sanjay Leela Bhansali's next biopic on veteran poet Sahir Ludhiavani is making headlines forever now. Though it was said Bhansali was planning to make the film with Shah Rukh Khan, now the rumor has it opposite SRK, Sanjay wants Aishwarya Rai Bachchan to play his love interest. It is reported that Aishwarya has liked the script of Bhansali's next film and she is ready to work with SLB's film on Sahir and Amrita. After working with Aish in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Shah Rukh Khan is quite keen on sharing the screen space with the former Miss World. The story doesn't end here. While Aish is going to play Amrita, the famous poetess, the rumors are rife that Sanjay is also looking for a second option in Abhishek Bachchan. Well, at the end of the day, the decision has to be taken only by Bhansali. Until then, we have to wait for an official announcement. So, what's your say on this news? Do share your opinions below. Finally, the day has come. Hang on guys, we are not talking about the release of Tubelight. Well, we are talking about the advance booking of Salman Khan's this year's Eid offering. Needless to say, the advance bookings of Tubelight has created storm all over the nation. But it also made us wonder whether this craze is for Salman or his film. Nevertheless, this Kabir Khan directorial venture starring the Khan brothers, Salman and Sohail Khan, along with late legendary actor Om Puri, Chinese actress Zuzu, and Chinese little bundle of joy Martin Ray Tangu in pivotal roles is slated to release on June 23rd. Well, this film marks two reunions at a time. When at one side we have actor-director duo Salman and Kabir Khan, on the other side we will get to see the Khan brothers Salman and Sohail Khan sharing screen space almost after a decade. So have you yet booked your tickets? What's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. Salman Khan, who's known for wearing his heart on the sleeves, once again proved that he is the man with golden heart. Recently, Salman Khan's foundation, Being Human, funded a liver transplant operation for a 2-year-old child. And needless to say, with that, they saved one more life. Well, not only in real life, but in real life also, Salman is a true hero. Talking about his professional front, these days the superstar is super busy in promoting his upcoming Eid release Tubelight along with brother Sohail Khan. This Kabir Khan directorial venture starring Salman Khan, Sohail Khan, late legendary actor Om Puri, Chinese actress Zuzu, and Chinese little bundle of joy Martin Ray Tangu in pivotal roles is slated to release on June 23rd. So what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy. There have been a lot of buzz around Salman Khan's this year Eid offering Tubelight. And much to the viewers' delight, CBFC has passed this film with a U certificate. Oh yes, according to sources, CBFC has asked the makers to remove the word Haramzada from the film as they felt the word will spoil the film's sensibilities. If the sources are to be believed, then the board suggests Salman Khan's films are always clean and family-oriented, but this one is even more wholesome and family-oriented than Bajrangi Bhaijaan. There is innocence about the film and Salman's character which is enormously appealing. Kids will love Salman's character. He's like a child in the film. Oh my, we just can't wait to witness this extravaganza. For those who came late, Tubelight is a Kabir Khan directorial venture starring Salman Khan, Sohail Khan, late legendary actor Om Puri, Chinese actress Zuzu and Chinese little bundle of joy Martin Ray Tangu. And this film is slated to release on June 23rd. So, what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.
Salman Khan is the controversy's child. No matter what he does, Salman's bad boy tag refuses to leave him alone. From black bug poaching to the infamous hit and run case, Salman has always been the bad boy. While the court hearings were going on against him, Salman founded the Being Human Charitable Trust. While he was doing good stuff with the trust, many believed that Being Human was a clever PR stunt to rehabilitate his image. So recently, in an interview, when Salman was asked if Being Human was a PR stunt to clean up his image, Salman gave a befitting reply and also challenged the reporter to live his life for a day. The Sultan actor angrily said, "Do you have any idea of the amount of work we do at Being Human? People in Being Human do loads of work on a daily basis." Salman also said that he hasn't even put his own name on the board or any of the trustees because it's Being Human. Salman even angrily said, "Come and live my life for one day." Well, what's your take on this, guys? Do share it with us in the comment section down below.
Since Salman Khan started Tubelight is based on the backdrop of Indo-China War, an NGO named Being Equality Multipurpose Society will now organize a special screening of Tubelight for army officers. Well, yes, as Salman's Tubelight touches the Indo-China War, the NGO planned a movie screening specially for the army officers. Now that's thoughtful, Henna. It is the same NGO, Being Equality Multipurpose Society, that will arrange a blood donation camp on Salman's Tubelight release date, and that is 23rd June. The Bhai fans have joined hands to arrange a blood donation camp. Looks like Salman starter has inspired them to do all this. What say, guys? Meanwhile, Salman is now on a promotional spree. Tubelight is directed by Kabir Khan and will also feature Sohail Khan, Zuzu, Martin Ray Tangu and Om Puri in pivotal roles. Coming back to the NGO, what's your take on this? Do share it with us in the comment section below. When the title of Shah Rukh Khan and Anushka Sharma's Jab Harry Met Sejal was revealed, it became the talk of the town. In fact, it was then revealed that Ranbir Kapoor was the one to suggest the title. To which SRK also gave a disclaimer about it and said that Ranbir doesn't win the reward. But Ranbir at Jagga Jasoos launched made it pretty clear that he wants the reward of ₹5,000 and that too in cash. It looks like Ranbir finally won the reward. Well, yes, King Khan shared a photo of Ranbir and himself from Imtiaz Ali's birthday bash on Twitter. In the photo, Ranbir is seen flashing his teeth while holding ₹5,000. As Shah Rukh Khan finally rewarded him for suggesting the title, while SRK is not really happy about it. The story doesn't end here. Interestingly, his caption also tells us that even Karan Johar was a part of this title game. I swear, SRK, the man of it, captioned the picture as "Jagga Jasoos, we are quits now. Hisab barabar. Give Karan Johar his share for the Jab part in Jab Harry Met Sejal, please." Damn, SRK just won us over with his witty caption. What do you have to say about this? Do share your thoughts below. Well, it seems that the actor-producer SRK and director Imtiaz Ali are all set to introduce their upcoming film Jab Harry Met Sejal to the audience. And guys, do you know what's so special about it? Well, they have decided to innovate with the communication of the film using mini trails. Now, isn't that something very new? According to the latest reports doing the rounds, Imtiaz has come up with the idea to showcase what he calls mini trails, a series of 30-second clips from the film which will be released first as introduction to the world and personalities of Harry and Sejal, and the first of these trails will be unveiled on Sunday. Well, the whole idea is that these trails will serve as moments from the journey which gradually lead to the bigger story that would unfold in the theaters. So guys, what do you think about this innovative concept? Tell us your views in the comment box below and stay tuned for more updates.
Salman Khan's Tube Light is not only gonna set India on fire, but also overseas, because Tube Light's light has now gone to Times Square. Confused? Well, Salman Khan starrer Tube Light has found its way to New York's Times Square. Yes, amazing news, right? This only tells us that Tube Light will now not only brighten the Indian box office, but the New York market as well. Tube Light has created a right amount of buzz amongst the movie buffs, so people are eagerly waiting for the film to hit the theaters. In the meantime, Salman and Sohail Khan are on a promotional spree. The film currently missed the censor board screening date as the final cut of the film was not ready. So now the makers have applied for a fresh date so that the film gets certified before June 23rd. Tube Light is directed by Kabir Khan and stars Sohail Khan and Zuzu in pivotal roles. Till the next piece of news surfaces, keep watching Bollywood Spy for the latest gossip.
सलमान खान की फिल्म के लिए हर कोई एक्साइटेड होता है एंड बिकॉज आई हैव डेब्यूड विथ हिम लाइक माई एग्जिस्टेंस एज एन एक्टर्स बिकॉज ऑफ हिम सो यू नो उनकी फिल्म जब भी आती है तो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड होते हैं हम लोग देखने के लिए बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर अ फैमिली वी आर लकी दैट वी आर कंसिडर्ड एज अ फैमिली एंड वी आर जस्ट हैप्पी टू नो दैट फैक्ट. मैंने अभी तक एक भी गाना सुना नहीं है एक्चुअली.
आपको क्या लगता है कि ये बाहुबली को क्रॉस कर पाएगा कलेक्शंस को?
मैंने ये सुना है कि अनिल कपूर जी ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है कि सलमान खान हर साल एक बाहुबली देते हैं, तो मैं उनके स्टेटमेंट को पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट करती हूँ. मैंने ये सुना है कि अनिल कपूर जी ने एक स्टेटमेंट दिया है कि सलमान खान हर साल एक बाहुबली देते हैं, तो मैं उनके स्टेटमेंट को पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट करती हूँ. थैंक यू.
Salman Khan always comes on every Eid, and since Salman is coming on screen after one whole year with Tube Light, his fans are even more eager to watch Salman Khan coming on screen. So obviously the film will start off on a fantastic note at the box office. And on that note, a popular trade analyst just predicted that the film with Salman coming on is going to have a fantastic run at the box office and will end up with a lifetime collection of 350 crore rupees. Yep. The trade expert mentioned how Tube Light will open with an impressive first weekend collection of rupees 100 crores and will go on to collect around 350 crore rupees at the box office in its lifetime run. With that, Tube Light will become Salman Khan's highest grossing films ever. However, it would be interesting to see Tube Light competing with Dangal, which collected 387.38 crores at the box office. But for that, we will have to wait and watch and see Salman coming on screen once again. So, how much do you guys predict as the box office collections of Tube Light? Do share your views in the comment box below and stay tuned to Bollywood Spy for your daily dose of Bolly Masala.
The film Badshaaho has been in news for a really long time now. The makers of the film have now taken some major decisions regarding the film. Also, the makers have decided to launch its 1 minute 30-second teaser with the movie Tube Light. Yes, the teaser of the movie would be released alongside Tube Light. The official trailer of the film will, however, be released somewhere in June. The film Badshaaho is directed and co-produced by Milind Luthra. Bollywood actors Ajay Devgan, Imran Hashmi, Ileana D'Cruz and Vidyut Jamwal as the main leads. Let's see whether this move of the makers to launch the teaser alongside Tube Light will do any good to the movie or not. What say, guys? Do comment below.
Once upon a time, Akshay Kumar and Katrina Kaif were one of the hottest couples in the B-Town. Akshay and Katrina together have given many hits like Namaste London, Singh is King and Welcome. Talking about Namaste London, their sizzling chemistry was loved by many, so when there were reports of the sequel of the film titled Namaste England, many were super excited to see them together on screen. But much to everyone's dismay, that's not gonna happen now. Well, according to reports, Akshay didn't want Katrina Katrina in the film due to the cold relationship that they share, and hence Aki recommended Parineeti Chopra's name for the sequel. The reason for not getting Katrina on board because back then, when Katrina was at the peak of her career, had refused to work with Akshay in a few films, and that didn't go down well with the actor, and hence have not worked together in a movie since then. Well, it is said Parineeti is almost final, but an official announcement is still awaited. So, what's your take on this? Do share your thoughts below.
Salman, you worked with Sohail and Arbaz both in different capacities.
Yeah.
Who would you say is a better actor and who would you say is a better director?
See, Arbaz, I only have both.
So as a director now, since Arbaz doesn't want to direct, okay, so I would say that Sohail is a better director because he's more patient. Okay, सोहेल के साथ आप इम्प्रोवाइज़ कर सकते हो, लेकिन अरबाज पैनिक हो जाता है, अरबाज का बीपी ऊपर नीचे होना शुरू हो जाता है. तो now this time we're going to start Dabangg 3. This is very good, but I'm not going to direct it, I'll produce it. So I said, very good, we'll find a good director for that.
Bahubali's breathtaking success has made Prabhas a much sought-after name. Prabhas is in a lot of demand not only in Telugu industry but also in Bollywood. Earlier there were reports that Karan Johar wanted to launch the handsome hunk in Bollywood and now is waiting for Prabhas to finish his next film Saho. But now we hear a different story. It is said Rohit Shetty is keen to cast the Bahubali actor in his next film, and guess with who? He will be seen alongside Salman Khan. If reports are anything to go by, Rohit Shetty is keen to cast Prabhas and Salman Khan both in his next film. That's not it. You will be shocked to know how much Prabhas is charging. It is a whopping 80 crores according to the grapevine. That's massive, right? However, an official announcement is yet to be made. But if this is happening, it would be so interesting to see Prabhas and Salman on screen. Hannah, what do you think about this? Do drop your thoughts in the comment section below.
Nowadays, Salman Khan is choosing some really interesting scripts, and they are even doing wonders at the box office, be it Sultan or Bajrangi Bhaijaan or Tube Light. But now, the actor has decided to try something different on screen, and this time with Remo D'Souza's dance-based film that will feature Salman as the father of a 9-year-old girl. And while we did not know much about the story of the film till now, Salman just leaked the whole plot of the movie during a recent interview. Yes guys, listen to this. While talking about his success with portraying different roles on screen, Salman mentioned to a leading portal saying he has a superb script as a dancer, in which he has the most incredible character of a father to a 9-year-old. It is a different kind of a film. He doesn't want to be a dancer, but his daughter is a dancer and she falls ill and she enrolls his name into the competition. He had promised his dead wife that whatever the little girl wants, he will fulfill. So he says, "My daughter wants it, I am going to dance properly." We are sure everyone will go to see this one and enjoy it a lot. And the Dancer Dad film might just turn out to be a blockbuster with Salumia starring in it too. It is a much manifested fact that Salman Khan is the Sultan of the box office. However, this year, a Telugu actor Prabhas has completely owned the Bollywood box office. His latest release, Bahubali 2 The Conclusion, has broken and set many box office records. In fact, this South film has raked in more than 1,000 crore rupees in India itself. Though many were astonished by the collections, Salman Khan too was pretty impressed with Bahubali's success. But that's not it. Salman even took an effort and decoded the reason behind Bahubali's humongous success. While talking to a leading tabloid, Salman mentioned that the most amazing thing about Bahubali's success is that the Hindi audiences are accepting it. They have made a Telugu film large without knowing South heroes, apart from 3 or 4 of them. Salman also said that the South audiences know us there, yet our films don't do that volume of business because their fans have an extraordinary sense of loyalty to their actors. Salman decoded it by saying that the fan following is very strong there. We have piracy here. One tries to indulge in piracy there, but fan clubs wouldn't allow it. They will fight it. What's your take on this, guys? After Salman Khan's father Salim Khan watched Tubelight, it is now Arpita Khan Sharma who got the chance to watch Salman's much-awaited film. The first one to watch the film was Salim Khan, who loved the film and also praised the director Kabir Khan. And now, Salman's sister Arpita becomes the lucky person to watch the film before anyone else. But apparently, Arpita cried after watching the film. Well, we all know that Tubelight is high on emotions, and that's why the film made Arpita cry. Arpita later took to her Twitter handle and posted an emotional tweet which reads, "Kabir Khan, why do you make me cry so much? Can't wait to watch Tubelight. Will be an emotional roller coaster for me." Well, those who have watched the film till now have only praised it, and this makes her wait even harder. Seriously, 23rd June seems really far now. Anyway, what are your thoughts about this, guys? Don't forget to drop them down in the comment section below. Stay tuned to Bollywood Spy for your daily dose of filmy masala.
Devdas, the unconventional tale of two hearts, was released on July 12, and it has been 15 years since director Sanjay Leela Bhansali's magnum opus was released. To mark the date, the Devdas team is planning to release its 3D version. Talking about this, director Sanjay Leela Bhansali said, "When I was finally convinced about the 3D version of Devdas, I wanted to make sure that every frame conveyed just the right proportions and dimensions. I realized that much of my film was originally shot with a lot of depth in the frames that in fact made Devdas an ideal candidate for 3D format. Word is a massive worldwide release that has been planned for Devdas 3D. Well, Bollywood had not seen so much beauty in one film till then. Oh, what a film! In 3D it will only get even better. So, what's your take on this? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. And for your daily dose of filmy masala, stay tuned to Bollywood Spy.